Now let's see the problem set 33. First question, see what it is. Write 5 3-digit number. Write 5 3-digit number that are multiple of 2. That are multiple of 2. Now just now we have studied about the test for divisibility by 2. So which number we want for the unit place? For the unit place we need either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. From this any number for the unit place we want, and that number is a multiple of 2. That number is a multiple of 2. So now let's see how to write the answer. So see 5 3-digit number. 5 example we have to write with how many digit? 3-digit number, and for the unit place, and which are multiple of 2. So with your own choice also you can write it. So first I am taking the 0 we want for the unit place, then 2 we want for the unit place, then 4 we want for the unit place. Now 6 we want for the unit place. Okay, and then we want the 8 we want for the unit place. So these are the 5 3-digit number that are multiple of 2. Now the second question, write 5 3-digit number that are multiple of 5. Now we want to write the answers with which are multiple of 5. That is, for the unit place we want either 0. We want either 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Okay. So let's see. So see 5 3-digit number that are multiple of 5. So either we want 0 or 5. So I am going to start with 0. So here having the 0 to the unit place. Then here having the 5 to the unit place. Okay. So here 0 is the unit place. Here 5 is the unit place. And here 0 is the unit place. Okay. Now let's see the third one. Now third question is what? Write 5 3-digit number that are multiple of 10. Now multiple of 10 means for the unit place we want 0 only. For the unit place we want 0 only. See third one, write 5 3-digit number that are multiple of 10 means for the unit place we want 0. Okay. So 300. For the unit place we want 0. Okay, with your own choices, so you can write it. So this is the third answer. Now see the second question. Write 5 numbers that are multiple of 2 as well as 3. Okay, which are multiple of 2 and 3 also. Means like that number we have to find which are present in 2 table also and in 3 tables. Okay, the numbers we have to find which are present in 2 table also and 3 table also. So let's see how to write the answer. So the numbers which are present in 2 table and 3 tables. For example, 2 is present only in 2 table. Now 4. 4 is present only in 2 table, not in 3. Then 6. Yes, 6 is present in 2 table also and in 3 table. So 6 is one number which is multiple of 2 as well as 3. So like that we have to 9. You have to find after 6, then see 8 is not there in 3 table, 9 is not there in 2 table. So then 12 is there. Yes, which is present in 2 table and 3 table. Okay. So the next number is 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. 18 also present in both table. Now after 18, see the next number, that is 24. Though the 24 is not present in 2 table, but it is divisible by 2. Why? Because the unit number is 4. As the unit number is 4, so it is divisible by 2. It is multiple of 2. So then, and 24 is present in 3 table also. 3 8s are 24. Then next one is a 30. Okay, 3 10s are 30, means 30 is present in 3 table. But what about the 2? Though 30 is not present in 2 table, but as the unit place is 0, it is multiple of 2 or it is divisible by 2. Understood everyone? Okay. So which are the number which is multiple of 2 as well as 3 is 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Okay. Now let's see the question number 3. See what it is. A ribbon is 3 meter long. One means one ribbon is there. How much meter? 3 meter. Can we cut it into 50 centimeter pieces? And we have to cut it. That ribbon of which centimeter, of which length? 50 centimeter. Have nothing left over. Write the reason why or why not. So what is the question? As you are having the 3 meter long ribbon, we have to cut that ribbon in a small pieces with how much length? 50 centimeter. Now what is the question? Is it, can we divide that ribbon in a 50 centimeter equally? Okay. Is it the any ribbon left over or not? That we have to find. And if not, write the reason why or why not. Is it some ribbon is left or not? That we have to find, and their reason we have to write. Now first thing we have to see how to, as we observe here, the ribbon is how much? It is 3 meter. Ribbon is how much? 3 meter. And then in which centimeter we have to cut it into? 50 centimeter. We have to cut it into 50 centimeter pieces. So here is meter, here is centimeter. So what is the first we have to do? We have to convert this meter to centimeter. We have to convert this meter to centimeter. As we know, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 3 meter means 300 centimeter. 3 meter means 300 centimeter. And now that 300 centimeter we have to divide their pieces with how much length? 50 centimeter. Then how many pieces we get? That we have to find. That we have to find. Now see, the ribbon is 3 meter long. Now 3 meter means what? See, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Therefore 3 meter means 300 centimeter. 3 meter means 300 centimeter. Now we have to cut that ribbon into 50 centimeter. Now cut it into 50 centimeter pieces. Cut it into 50 centimeter pieces. Now we have to find how many pieces we get. Is it any ribbon is left over or not? For that we have to divide. For 300 we have to divide by 50. We have to divide by 50. But here we have to do the 50s table. Okay. See, if we observe the 50 table, is it 300 is there? Yes. On which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 56 are 300. 56 are 300. So 300 minus 300 is a 0. So how many pieces we get here? 6 pieces. Is it any remainder is remain? No. Means what? We can divide that ribbon into 6 pieces with how much length? 50 centimeter. Is it any ribbon is left over? No, it is not left over. Why? Because 300 is a multiple of 50, or 300 is divisible by 50. Understood the reason? So that is the reason. So what is the answer? We can cut the ribbon into 50 centimeter pieces with nothing left over, because 300 is a multiple of 50, and so we get a 6 such ribbons. Understood everyone the answer? Okay. Now let's see the fourth question. A ribbon is 3 meter long. Again one ribbon is there. How much length? 3 meter long. I need 8 pieces. Now we have to make it 8 pieces. Ribbon each with how much length? 40 centimeter long. We have to make 8 pieces with 40 centimeter long. How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon? How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? Now what is the question? Is it possible to make the 8 pieces with 40 centimeter? उस रिबन में 8 पीसेस हो सकते हैं क्या? वो भी कितने लेंथ के? 40 centimeter. That is the question that we have to find. So 3 meter means again how much centimeter? 300 centimeter. And how many pieces we have to make it? 8 pieces. with how much length? 40 centimeter. Okay, now first we have to find, as we want to make a 40 centimeter and 8 pieces, means how much ribbon we need. 8 पीस बनाने के लिए वो भी 40 सेंटीमीटर के कितना रिबन लगता है वो हमें पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. ओके, देन कितने हमारे पास कितना रिबन है, ये और ये दोनों बराबर है कि नहीं वो कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा. एंड देन वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू सॉल्व. 3 मीटर लॉन्ग रिबन मीन्स 300 centimeter. Okay, now 8 pieces of ribbon we have to make. 8 pieces with 40 centimeter. Means for making 8 piece with 40 centimeter, how much ribbon we need? 8 into 40. As we do this multiplication, here we get 320 centimeter. Means actually to make a 8 pieces with 40 centimeter, actually how much length ribbon we need? 320 centimeter. But how much we have? Just only 300. Means again how much centimeter we need to make a 8 pieces? 20 centimeter. So we need the 20 centimeter. So the 20 centimeter shorter than the length needed. So the ribbon is what? Therefore the ribbon is 20 centimeter shorter than the length needed. The ribbon is 20 centimeter shorter than the length needed. Understood everyone? See how much we have? 300 we have. But to make the 8 pieces with 40 centimeter we need 320. So 320 minus 320 centimeter again need to make a 8 pieces. So that much ribbon we need. Okay. Now let's see the fifth question. See what it is. If the number given in the table is divisible by the given divisor, put correct tick mark in the box. If it is not divisible by divisor, put cross in the box. Now here is the divisor and here is the numbers. Now see one example already they have solved. See here is 15. Is it 15 divisible by 2? Is it 15 divisible by 2? No. For the test for divisibility by 2, what it is? For the unit place we need either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But here unit place is 5. So it is not divisible by 2. Then 5, yes. Here unit place is 5. So it is divisible by 5. Then 10, is it divisible by 10? 15 is divisible by 10? No, as the unit place is 5, it is not divisible by 10. Now 30. 30, unit place is 0. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Unit place is 0. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Is it divisible by 10? Yes. Now 34, unit place is 4. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. As the unit place is 4, divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 5? No. Then is it divisible by 10? No. Now 46, 6 is unit place. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Now is it divisible by 5? No. Is it divisible by 10? No. Okay. So like that, here again one table is there. Same like that you have to solve. Now in your CW first you have to write this question. Then draw this board table one by one. Here just one example I shown to you. Now this example like that you have to solve yourself as a homework. So this is all about the today's part. Today we have seen the problem set 33. Here in that total 5 questions are there. So in one question 3 sub questions are there that you have to write properly. Question answer in this way. Then write the next question and from the fifth question draw this board table and complete it. Second table you have to complete yourself as a homework. Understood everyone? Okay, so this is all about the today's parts. Okay, thank you.